Hey guys, happy Saturday. So for today's project, I applied plant stickers from Temu to my dash. It was a really cool project. I applied the passenger side stickers on Thursday, so today I was going to come and finish up the project. I bought these stickers from Temu. They're actually wall stickers for like light switches, and I wanted to see how they looked on the dash. I'm not too crazy about the white cast that the stickers give off because it kind of dulls the green. So I believe I will be looking to see if I can find some plant stickers that are a little bit more vibrant with a clearer background. These stickers will work out just fine until I find the stickers that I really want that give me the look that I'm going for. They look great in person, but on camera, they don't give off what I want them to give. So the search continues. I have a few more projects in store for this weekend, but I thought to share this quick and easy DIY project with you guys. If you're interested in watching more of my projects, like and follow for more. Thanks for watching.